RFK Jr. is getting ready to make the rounds on Capitol Hill this week as he attempts to drum up support before being put in charge of the nation's health agencies. New questions are emerging about his views on one of the most successful vaccines ever, the polio vaccine. Aaron Gilchrist reports.
Tonight, fresh focus on Robert F. Kennedy Jr., President-elect Trump's pick for health secretary, as he prepares to court senators on Capitol Hill this week. Kennedy still facing scrutiny over past comments about vaccines.
I do believe that autism does come from vaccines.
Kennedy expected to face questions about his views on vaccines now after the New York Times reported that a lawyer who's helping RFK Jr. build his team petitioned the FDA to revoke approval of a polio vaccine 2 years ago, drawing new fire from Democrats.
This is a man who wants to stop kids from getting their polio and measles shots.
And Republicans. Outgoing Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, a childhood polio survivor, not blasting Kennedy by name, but saying in a statement efforts to undermine public confidence in proven cures are not just uninformed, they're dangerous. Kennedy's team responding to the Times report saying the polio vaccine should be available to the public and thoroughly and properly studied. Kennedy addressing concerns about his vaccine skepticism last month.
If vaccines are working for somebody, I'm not going to take them away.
If somebody told me get rid of the polio vaccine, they're going to have to work real hard to convince me.
Mr. Trump standing by Kennedy in his interview with our Kristen Welker, saying he recently met with top drug company executives, Dr. Mehmet Oz, his pick to lead the Medicare system, and Kennedy.
We talked about pricing and we talked about vaccines, in terms of what happens. We talked about pesticides. We talked about everything.